rubbish.
No crane has ever complained before.
Well, I'm complaining now.
Cranes are airy-fairy things. They need a lot of attention, like me, in fact.
Help! I can't!
What's that steaming lump of scrap iron doing here? Be off with you! Oh, look.
It's a little green goblin on wheels.
You'll be scrapped. Just you wait and see.
Despicable.
Well, well, well. No wonder this railway's a mess. You belong in a museum, not working in a quarry. Useful. Just you tootle off. We three are doing your work now. You're too slow.
Toodle, rotten roads.
I'll be back, so you can wipe that silly smile off your smoke box.
What a boring view. Sick? Me? Never. What happened? Help me, please.
Bother.
I'll try, sir. I'm hot.
Bother. Bother.
That's all I can do.
Help! Bother. 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 Rubbish. It's been like this all day. Rubbish. Oh, please.
Your color's nice, James. Pity about your face, though.
Oh, hell! Go away! Silence! I'm the greatest! Get out of my way!
Percy's been put upon. Percy's been put upon. Poor old Percy.
Silence!
Oh no! On! Faster!
Stupid bird! Ghosts! Oh, stop! I tried to warn you about the viaduct. Why didn't you pay attention? Slide! Bill and Ben, behave yourselves.
Oh my grease and oil. I wasn't expecting this hill.
Oh, what's that?
Sorry. I'm all hot and bothered. I've got teething troubles, you know.
Oh no!
Hello. I'll soon sort this train out. You take the front and I'll push from behind. What fun!
Come on! Push harder, you silly diesel!
I'm overheating again.
Oh no! Bye-bye, Stepney. Yes.
Oh, yes. Why not? What's the matter now?
What? Oh, yes.
They called me old slow coach and told me I wasn't useful anymore. Now only the mice ride in me.
Oh, hell!
I can't thank you enough. I feel splendid.
Despicable! Disgusting! Really, but Gordon be scrapped soon? Quite so, Miss Oliver. Oh, yes, of course. Look!
Hello, Percy. I'm what it?
Those coaches are old and uncomfortable. What was that? Yes, sir. Jolly good idea, sir. Oh, botheration. We're stuck.
This is the life, isn't it, my dear?
Why?
Percy, green and small, he's no use to us at all. Around the yards he'll puff and blow, but on the hills he's oh so slow. To repeat, surprise! Catch us if you can!
Oh, no! Oh, please.
Oh, how lovely.
I could be a leader if you know what I mean. Help! Save me! Help! Rubbish! No!
Oh no!
Help! Hurry!
Oh no! Heading straight for me!
Break it! Snap it! Avalanche! Well? Oh no! Help! Moaned Gordon from within, and then fell as silent as the snow. Yo-ho-ho, and a bucket of prawns, the tiller spins, and the captain yawns. Here we go! No we don't. This makes my chain ache. Vroom, vroom. Faster we go. Pull him along, don't let him slow. Help! Boy there, Cranky. Where have you been? And a good day to you too, Captain. I'm not. Just in the middle of a wee naughty storm. Whoops. You've blown the main now, matey. We're gonna get into trouble. You have made a terrible mess, Cranky.
I'm sorry, sir.
You engines will have to stay here tonight until Harvey clears up this mess in the morning. Which reminds me of a story. I can't take any more. That's what friends are for. Well, the mail must arrive on time. Just get someone to pull me out of this haystack. Do you mind? I'm trying to sleep. Oh! Oops! Careful, Bumble Bucket. Sorry. Jack! Thomas! Cinders and ashes! Welcome to the pack, Jack! Bouncing buffers. My plow is broken. Cinders and ashes. Stop! Stop being pushy, Doc. Don't call me pushy. You shouldn't have pushed me into the cart. You told me, you mean. Didn't. Did. Did not. Did too. Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger. Push us all. That's the longest. Push us all. You'll be the strongest. Heave ho, heave ho. You can pull, but we won't go. Grease and oil. I thought you would be a proper dockyard diesel, but I was wrong. Can you make up for lost time, Henry? Oh, yes, sir. Ooh, spooky. Somebody's got me. He's after me! What was that? Oh, bother. Little green piggy in the middle. Help! You have caused confusion and delay. I'll have to report this to Sir Topham Head. I'm very disappointed in you, Percy. You know it's against the rules to go on to the tipper's loading ramp. Sorry, sir, but it wasn't my fault. It's because those diesels made me a middle engine. Nevertheless, you will shunt freight cars in the yards until I can get to the bottom of this. Little red piggy in the middle. What is that? Why, it's a floating basket with folks in it. We're out of water! What's happening? Rubbish. Hello, James? Scary Jack Frost. Dinghy fried?
Now this is how you pull freight cars.
Oh, hell! Well, Gordon, you wanted to show Salty a thing or two, and you've certainly done that. You've shown him how silly it is to ignore go slow signs. Sorry, sir. On! Oh, no! Unfortunately, Ben, your buffers are damaged. You must report to the engine works immediately for a new set of buffers. Mavis, you will have to work with Bill until Ben returns. Yes, sir. Will you two stop being crab pots? No! Bust my buffers! You behaved badly, Bill. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Before you get new buffers, I want you to think about what it means to be a responsible, reliable engine. Yes, sir. Bitter cold. My phone lines are down. I tried my hardest. You made it. She's a coloratura. Mouse! A impossibly traveling coach is riddled with mice. Uh-oh. No! Bye, Gordon. Duck should play with other ducks because he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack. Hold back. Look at that. The back engine must be the strongest and the best. You have said rude things about Edward. He proved today that he is useful, reliable, and very helpful. Awesome boots, pushing puffer, bouncing bogies. Glug. You have not been a responsible engine. Your impatience has caused confusion and delay, and you owe these engines an apology. Sorry. Once you have been repaired, you will work the incline until you learn to be patient and careful. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. We were helping Rheneas and Skarloey. I know you like helping Rheneas and Skarloey, but their line is in bad condition. It takes too much of your time. I am going to shut it down. But what will Rheneas and Skarloey do? They will come and work with you here at the quarry. What a waste of time. I need to whistle louder and longer next time. Stop that nonsense, Duncan. Leave it to me. Whistle, Skarloey. You really did well to deliver your goods without a whistle. You think so? Or an organ.